Flat again. So I have to fix this again. Now to get this silly thing off of here. Yay! Here's where the real fun starts. Make sure I'm putting it on the right way. I've done that before. Come on! It doesn't help that this is slimy. Why does YouTube have to make everything look so easy like? And for me, it's like. One more. As if that wasn't bad enough, now I have to do the other side. You can do this. So close. And yet so far away. No. This could be it. Oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. I don't know why I'm going to even bother. But I'm going to try a hand pump just cuz. Here goes nothing. Ah! What? That never happens. Now I have to put stands in it. I've been chasing this valve problem forever. I guess time will tell. I hope it worked, because I can't face doing this all over again.